This is drawer number 2. One was the junk drawer. So if you guys want to see that, then check it out. Drawer number 1. Drawer number 2. Here we go. So this is the tea section. I have these containers from Walmart. I think it was a set of 5 for $5 or 4 for $5 or something in different sizes. And it's just in, I don't know. It's all like different things. I feel like I used all my different containers, organizer stuff in here. And it's just, the flow of it is just messy. Some sort of like organized messiness that I just don't like it, and overflow of junk drawer stuff that don't need to be here. So I found this at Ross for $8. So I thought I could use this in here and make it look better. So let's do this. Guys, are you ready? Ta-da! How neat does that look? It even looks bright. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is, I mean, it's all self-explained there. It's pretty much all teas and just this separate hot cocoa. And I ended up keeping these little canisters, and I put them in here to keep this separated, because otherwise this will just end up mixing it in there and it's just gonna be messy. So I decided to just keep it in there. It fits perfectly fine, and it even has space for something else if it needs to be filled. But yeah, I love it. So let's check out our spice cabinet. So this is the mess that we're dealing with today. And there are some down here that were used today. And I had a Dollar Tree tier like this one, but from Dollar Tree. But I took it out because it was just too flimsy and everything just kept falling off every time I would try to grab something. Because this is the ones that we tend to gravitate to more, the ones that were on this side. But now it's all scattered. So I'm going to try to see if something else works better. So let's do this. So got that one empty. That one I kind of just put it like that for now. This is everything that I got down. This is what I'm thinking of using. This is my guilty pleasure. This was already in there. So let's try to see what goes in there and what doesn't go in there. You're just staring at me. This is the one that I just don't know how to do it. Don't know how to organize it. But I think this is my last one. No, I still need 3 more. So here I have these reusable Ziplocs, but I have these disposable ones. I'm trying to see if this will work here. Or we'll go through some of the stuff that I pulled out from cleaning upstairs and other drawers and see where it works better. think. I don't know. What else do we need to put in here? Alright, here we go. Ta-da! So Ziplocs, reusable Ziplocs. The stuff, straws and that stuff. This is only used whenever we cut watermelon, so it doesn't really get used much until like late spring, summer. A knife filer doesn't really get used. Some like beef shredding thing. Ice cream garlic scoop, compressor, garlic presser. So got rid of the stuff that was on these bins, and distributed them where they needed to go, or into another drawer. And now let's go to the other one. Ta-da! So these two were the two drawers that I were like, they were probably the most complicated ones for me. I would ideally like to get like one of those knife organizers. If not, my husband was saying to get one of those magnet knives and just put it by the stove. Thermometer, things that don't get used on a daily basis, and then potato peelers, can opener. Yep. So that's it. And I ran out of this thing, so I had to like put paper napkins back there for now. But we'll see if this works and stays somewhat better than before. And yep. Still have more drawers to go through, like this one, which seems to be the junk kitchen drawer. That is just a bunch of excess. This is my son's drawer that needs to be organized. So I need to think about how to do that for him, because he does have access to that one. And then this one, which is like napkins and all that stuff, needs to be organized too. And one more. The last ones are these, but I think this is fine like that. I mean, I don't know. How can you organize caps? And then down here, that seems to be pretty fine. So that's it. Last drawer would be this one, under the sink. All that. That will be the last one. Way after the water system gets installed, and we'll use this for that. So that's it.